years back. They punish me put, but nobody know. I know come outside come to tell you see what they happen. So I'm going to tell you.
I'm not listen to this that way talk. He say he sees you guest ban. What it be use guest ban? Why as a lawyer you guest ban? He say he sees you guest ban document. When now he sees a document. I tell him I say for you to use your pekus born pikin or zua, you better born thief. Because some thief they will go thief better money, they will repent. Their life don't change. Ozuo not repent to Ozuo will continue to they finish you. He go carry all the money where you get, he will go carry go give thief. Ozuo will carry everything, all the food we get for us, he will go give thief. Ozuo will open your door for night, make thief enter your house. So you put your brother thief. Then you go for Ozuo. Because we go finish you. You see this boy is the most Ozuo where I never seen for Europe. But for now, they claim very sharp. Now they preach, they give people now say, anybody where they sharp, they know they like her. What do you consider your sharpness? If you are sharp, so family use and they productive for country. If you are sharp, use that your sharpness, be productive in that country. You know if it be sharpness. Where's Ozuo? Your document won't expire. You don't know when to renew. You don't know when to go Africa. You don't know when not to go Africa. Ozuo nigga. When are they listening to Ozuo? When are listening?
You guys have hand. Now no go if you understand. They all cities. They will set you up. They will use black set you up. They will use white set you up. They go do you. Because of you guys have paper when I seize years back. They punish me put, but nobody know. I know come outside come to tell you see what they happen. So I'm going to tell you okay, do like this, okay, you know where person papa forget passport. Where person sister forget passport.
Go. Where person papa forget passport. Where person now that passport now give your papa document now they give you who is Zua. Where person papa forget passport. Now that one you tell the put people for work. All these women where they chop for Germany, you will tell they say your papa get passport. Your papa they stay for Germany. Now Vera take for Mumu follow you. Now Vera take Mumu follow you today. My papa get Germany. My papa get passport. My papa get this one. My papa Larry, me where they see so. Go ask question. Who be my papa? Man wey born me. Go ask question. When my father was alive, my father, Odia, Iyai, I don't even know why they mention. I don't even know Odia. People don't know Iyai. Igbenedio where they see so. Igbenedio, when my papa they do Bini, wait for Bini Club. Go ask questions. Say for Bini Club. Bini Club. For GRA. Now every 4 years they do president of Bini Club. When my father was the president of Bini Club, Igbenedio was a member. If I lie. When my old dad, Chief Ugbobo of Bini, Ugbobo, go ask question. I know they fear the talker. My old father, Ugbobo, people were know. When my father was a president in Bini Club, Igbenedio was a member. You know me say Igbenedio don't get money past my power, but my pass it bam. Not be say play. I be a car. The time where they use 504, 505. Now new one my party buy, not the buy Benjo. If president use 505, my power will use 505. If president use 504, my power will use 504. Mercedes 200, new one will come out, my papa buy am. When at 13 wife, go ask question. Now oh papa 13 wife for BN, not be play. So don't call the phone my papa get passport, the area do my papa get passport, my papa get 404. That 404 of those days. And anybody will get 404 those days, a big man. Go ask question. 404. 70 something, 80 something.
Document join, no brother. Not like you. Document join. You're not supposed to travel without document for me. Oh.
Nobody's above mistake.
Okay. Thank you, my sister.
Before I go down, I want to
Italy
go
will not do
down.
that.
Can I
They will not
talk?
do that. Somebody just coming from his own country.
Don, can I talk? Can I talk before I go down? What I know about this one we are doing.
Reality.
Can I talk?
I hear you.
Bro, let me explain something
Continue.
to you. Hold on first. Yeah, I have some women where we say for Duisburg, yeah, they give the official bestätigung. What is the problem? They give the official bestätigung. They could not renew their document again. Some come before for Duisburg here where would they? Now they can't go denunciate their madam. Say,
Why they not feel renew the document?
oh, hold on now. Some come here, so women come here. They can't denunciate their woman, madam will bring their come for Germany here. Say, now this woman carry me, now this woman carry me come for Europe here. So they can't give them pali for here. So last they give them pali, now government come they investigate them for Duisburg here. So when government come realize say, this thing where it be so. Now you are aware what you are coming here to do. What does the government of here do to them? Some they will give the facial vegetable, they won't smell that plastic on their hand again. Do you understand the ideology? Many of them they will not smell the
part. They don't give power tap for us.
It's exactly what is happening in North Westphalia now. It's exactly what is happening in North Westphalia.
No, Prince, I fit talk one word. I want go down because I get where they go.
If you talk, person they talk, see photo, you talk. Can you pay attention?
Everybody power tap, please. Everybody.
The issue be say, I want let you know one thing. Be say this Dutch now, your demon and all.
Please, everybody double tap your screen. Let's go.
They do. Not be the same thing all the whole state.
Guy, don't go.
Wait now.
And they talk, you know, let me talk. They put me for
I just want to come down and say, ma, quick, correct one this thing before I go down. More than not first. I just say, ma, quick talk and say, not be the same thing, no. What did they happen for Duisburg? The different for. Okay, no Wahala, no child.
Hey, guy, pay attention for Duisburg. I hope Fisher be steady go 9 months, so. If I expect something to you need to pay attention. I hope 9 months. Now 9 months I think hope Fisher be steady go.
Flight delay for that flight delay for that place. So now making your wife can't do that prank. After he finish, now your wife take go ask with the children. If he can't be posting a prank, we come on and still reason and go that way.
Don, can I explain something to you? Don.
So they can't come out.
Put explain to you.
Wait now, guys. Listen, this thing, when they look at it.
If you are hearing me, say yes.
We are hearing you. We started hearing you now.
So now see this issue. Another angle because me I never see person where they want deport. It will still get access to phone.
Yes, my brother, you can get access to phone.
Please, are you guys hearing now?
Yeah, we are hearing. The law does not stop you for phone. If they want to deport you, you have access with your phone. 100% you have it. Nobody will take your phone. Yes, 100%. It's your privacy.
But for me, they not think they take everybody for food. If they thought say a prank, I go believe that.
So I continue what they tell us now.
Bro, for Duisburg here. So if your document is about to expire for Duisburg here, they will tell you within 3 months you have to put your document for renewal. Why you need to make it in 3 months? Because that thing they run against the date and the year of when you want to collect your German passport or Netherlands. That is what is going on. So you have to put your document. But anything that make you go out on that time, you did not put your document to renew. It's a big problem. It's a very, very, very big problem in Germany here. Once your document is about to expire, you did not put it on renew. Then, what does that mean? It means you don't know what you are doing. You don't respect the law. Auslander behold herself here in Germany, in Duisburg, here, they don't joke with you. They don't joke with you. And if you are here, they give you Fisher Bestedigun. You need to be very, very, very careful. They give Fisher Bestedigun. It means before they renew your document, they have to go and check the far back, what you have done, what you have contributed to the society, what you have done. If they go back, if you have a criminal case, you slap your wife reports you, anything you do, by then, it's going to be a huge problem for you to renew that pali. 100%.
I went to the beat the wife for us, they're not renew for her.
100% because there was a guy again today up to now. So talking with
but the boy they beat that girl. The girl were married.
Duisburg will not renew that document, except you go another city.
We don't hear you. We don't hear. No, that is
don't see here. Play on that person.
My brother, that one when you talk, say, because say he beat his wife or because he get a criminal offense, say they no go renew in document. You know, all those things not affect in document, my brother. That procedure.
My brother, na 30, they call him. How did they call it? How did they call that thing for immigration? And my lawyer said that thing to me one time. No, they will not renew it.
For me,
They will ask you to go and rectify it. When you rectify the problem,
before he travel to Nigeria with that document, if he have any offense he commit, why don't do they write him or send him to court?
No, my own, they don't write me. My own, they don't write me. The thing just did that. He can't remain 9 months. He can't my own. I can't hold that fish up instead. They go for 9 months. Later, I can't go find out what they solve. That they can't. Many of us they can't go. They can't say now this thing you do. Then they can't clear the thing. They don't write
you. Why they put people into depression? They need to renew people because if you are only a fisher nigga, you cannot be able to look for a nice job. If you have the real plastic, you can be able to look for a nice job. You can be able to do something.
If you have a fish up instead, you can walk. You can walk. If you have a fish up instead, you can walk.
Bro, you cannot be able to use it to change your work.
Bro, with fish up instead, you can go to Nigeria.
My people, Mona wait.
It's not advisable.
My people,
No,
Mona
it's advisable that whereby. No,
hello,
no,
bro.
Roland.
Wait first. My people, Mona wait. This guy now is get one thing when say he sees. Mona still listening some more. Look, see what
Now
he
use that set you up. Now this one set you up. They go do you. Because of you get some paper when I seize years back. Then they punish me put, but nobody know.
What be you guys paper when he sees? I remember now to say he sees you
If
guys
it's
paper.
now they tell me sign something, no please sign them. That one now the worst bad thing so ever.
He say he sees listen.
Yes, it's a very bad thing so.
Wait.
Very bad.
Mona mute. Mona listen. Wait. You see paper. He say he sees the paper. Mona listen.
Wait till I see for journey. For you get some hand. Now no go fit understand. They all cities. They will set you up. They will use black set you up. They will use white set you up. They go do you. Because of you get some paper when I seize years back. Then they punish me put, but nobody know.
You hear what he talk? He say he sees the paper. You guess out.
Now if you say
Oga here, wait first. Mo talk and one make person hear wetin they talk. Now wait, they me, you know what all the truth or everybody wait all day Europe here. Even if now another name that they call that paper for Germany, now another name that they call her for Italy here. Now another name that they call her for France. But we all know what they happen here. Now Rishibuta they call that thing. When you go, I made a mute to this person where they under. Thank you. That thing, if I get 2 years permit, which is permission to sojourn for a year for Italy, if I get 2 years, now all those problems when he with his father and his father wife will be German person, all those problems where they can't they get, now make they not come renew that thing due to the time where they're supposed to take renewal, and many things. When they say carry and go court, when you with their commune get problem, which is that paper where they talk, you say sees, they give us something may sign. He will still come internet here. He talk and say there be one side paper where they be want to carry children. Go give this woman. Say they don't go like sign and they take come up for the city where they did before. Without they not tell the school where their children they go everything. So government they follow him. And his wife now can't go persuade them main Betty and say Gambia person use and take go come. Say no wahala. All those things. You will they renew for 5 months. They never give you the plastic where you take go renew. They never give you that one back. You use and take back ticket go Nigeria. It also not be deportation. Not be papa. Me they know you talk say na papa. They not come cash out for way for the work. I'm more we can have here. In a day ticket in here, they reject her for enter inside again because of what he don't get with them. Opodo me na twice guy. I will do my yahin. It be like person where you can get caught before you want to enter inside your house. You get right to lock gate. If you don't, we can come outside. I been a lie.
My brother, that one no warrant because he get family, he get children. The children they wait am.
He warrant. They marry legally. They marry legally for Europe. No. It's no warrant.
They'll give us traffic, muta.
But they don't marry bros. But they are not married yet. But you hear say
carry
na
am go
papa
throw
name.
away for Nigeria.
You hear say na that Benjamin papa name like dey children.
It's very dangerous.
Alpha, for Germany, you people need to understand the reason why they give and the document. More no go the waste and they exhaust our energy. Which means that if it does the way when they talk, which means the reason why they take give and document, he violate it. Which means maybe go the story where he talk. Let me say it to you that there is a paragraph called paragraph 25 ABS 3. That paragraph ABS 3, now two things involved there. It gets some women who talk saying that carry the Congo do runs. Last, maybe the lawyer and the judge they will drag her. They'll give her to the woman or they give her. It's very common with us here in Nigeria. Now, what is this common? Somebody feel whole paragraph 25 ABS 3. It will go Nigeria, it will come. A person will figure paragraph 25 ABS 3. He will go Nigeria, he will go land for himself for prison.
Yes, everybody power tap. Let's go.
You need to understand what we are saying here. We will lecture ourselves. If you finish that, if you hold document for Germany here for Westphalia, go back again now to look the reason why they give documents so that this thing will happen again. You know if it happen. Which means if you are telling me now this thing which people are expecting, that means the reason why he did not get a document for his father, maybe he got a document on his own or he's from a woman. Whereby the thing where they talk for story, they literally found out this thing it was not genuine. If they found out, now be waiting at the tribunal give me chance, and fear explain to now. There was a lady here who whereby he come for here. He say make a duro idolation a woman will bring her come for here for asylum. They can't give her Bali. Laterly, they can't investigate. Say before the car come here, he was aware what is coming here to come and do. Lock where the girl can't get, it already get child again. Now here till today, they don't renew document. Then they call carry fish up steady good. They give them almost 4 years or 5 years. They hold her for hand. You need to understand the reason why they give you the document. Not be waiting go they crack our head. Which means so, they look this is why they give a document.
This is 2 years ago, now talk to father for taking the child's money. So now that 2 years ago, now they talk to
now okay, hold on, me
when we understand everything. Wait, bro. Papa name.
Yeah, now be saying father. Okay, all right. Now be okay. Now be saying father sign, and now be saying father sign for a woman. May take a document. Now there you, bro. Hold on. In father sign the fourth child make the woman get document. Laterly, government for this board now can't know say this person now be this person. Now be this person. Now be problem with
they get know. See the way they know because the woman now the woman self now see use the man talking which is Benjamin.
Now be say that they go that they cause problem for themselves. So finish.
Father-in-law.
Okay, wait, Benjamin father. Mona we more talk one by one. We not the rush. Benjamin father. I say for the Vera children.
According to Mama Boy, because he say he near there, he say he don't hear from them.
According, brother, wait till you know here for your. Wait till you know here. Wait till you know.
Benjamin say na 2 years ago. Then you wait.
No, bro, no the talk. That's not to treat the kiss somebody. Wait till you know. Wait till you know. Verify. No, they do like that.
Most still easy to understand. Most still easy to me. Hear what you want to understand. It talk.
Yeah. Now inside rumor, now that they select truth for inside. You understand me? Nobody go your come and say see how the thing take happen. Say na person where you happen to. Now you go talk if you want to talk about. And inside all those things, so we all see they talk the one they talk. So if not prank, not be everybody for put. Me if I know that one. But if not truth, the thing resemble truth. Because if you call Luca, the way he talk, he said that from 2016, now he started to collect the children money. Because now that 2016, now he still born first, whether na son or daughter, I don't know. So he said that from 2016 to 2023, when they take get problem. After he don't tell his husband say his children know if they go, his father-in-law say they won't carry his children or whatever. I don't know what it's for them. You understand me? So now when they can't get that problem, you will get problem. You don't suppose use your Rishibutate tribe or go Nigeria. Now that one let me see for instance.
Understand it, which means if a father get access to the kindergarten, which means say that the father na ain't sign because if your father no sign, say father shall for get reached. The father don't have right to collect money from the woman. Exactly. So if you say, the father get 50-50 with the woman.
He said from 2016. Imagine, count how many years from 2016.
Those one the two sheet for Porto.
He's supposed to explain for his son. Say that
He say when he reach there,
the two sheet for Porto.
now they cut there. But now you they collect the money since 2016. Now you name everything.
I beg, one way to one woman want us testimony here. Hello, everybody meet your side. No, listen to this woman testimony. Madam, tell us what did they talk.
I said that document, what did that man they talk? I said the man they right. I said my me and get paragraph ABS 3 before I use on the go Nigeria. I don't use on go Nigeria 3 times. But last year when I renewed for year last year, they tell me say this document not using on go Nigeria. Guessing that their new law now. They bring paper for me say make I sign. If I go Nigeria, I need to come tell the waiting I want go do. Why? The great no. Say if I come back, they go revoke. I wanted the lady tell me I signed the paper.
The paragraph now this kind of paragraph now Benjamin take go aso.
Now I not using on go Nigeria again.
No, now the same paper now Benjamin take go aso.
Yes, because me I sign say I don't use on go. The lady say me I sign.
The lady say me you say you know use and go as again.
Yes, I don't use on go as again. I sign. I bring the paper.
But person living in jail, person say they are living in prison.
So now me I not people go Nigeria because let's I'll go the ton. Understand? I'm true that man they talk.
Wow.
Now, if you say you know if you say you know if you go Nigeria, if you say you know if you go Nigeria, first of all, you did work, you did pay tax, you did work. Ask that lady again, we play this voice note, you did work.
Okay,
because you know if you
Collect
did job center, you know if you did job center, go to do that rubbish.
This
This similar thing.
This country get as it be. This country
You did work.
you get as it people say
You did work.
people in the work now. We dey holiday for almost 4 months. All of us they don't renew our paper.
Mona wait,
Man,
ask
eh,
a
no.
question. Mona wait.
Answer whether they work. Answer.
Mona wait, man, answer a question. Mona mute.
People all are the same for Germany.
Madam, he say they say may I ask you,
Yes.
you dey work?
Yes, that's class.
Now, if you they work, that if you they work now, that if you they work, that means they go check what you talk for during 15 years ago. You need to be very, very careful. If you they work, that means they go check what you talk for during.
We are picking for the cry.
I bet, brother, I bet this detail will help that lady. If you they work, they tell you that means they go check what you talk for during. You need to be very careful. That means they go check where to go tougher. You need to be very, very careful. And if you have that paragraph, brother, Mo help that lady. If you have that paragraph AVS 25 that means you take her for sickness. That sickness now it don't heal whereby the for Nigeria. You need to be very, very careful.
Umama making no more. You win there. Yeah, the butter whereby your eye will need.
Bro.
Umo do have a platform in there. You win there.
Bro, after what you talk? Bro, you dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
Help me talk to that lady. That means if you get that paragraph 25 ABS, that means he got her through health issue. Now she's going to Nigeria. Can't people go to Nigeria here and Suruk, which means that sickness they fit cure her for Nigeria, and she need to know that what she talk now. They don't open the fight. Go check them. Otherwise, this similar something will happen to them again.
Okay, that's my way to answer. I say it doesn't
Yes.
That's why she put a give her paper.
I call her again.
I bet help me talk to her. Which means they give her that document. Tell her whether na paragraph 25 ABS 3. They give her through health issue. Through health issue. Which means if you go Nigeria, they can treat him now.
Wait, okay, wait. They hear you now. Ask her the question again.
Hello, madam. Hello.
Did they hear you?
When na paragraph 25 ABS 3 you get.
Yes.
Now that means they give that. Do they give you a health condition?
Is it na
Do they
sickness?
give you a health condition? Not
Never.
bro, no,
I say,
not be
na bad
behind that document.
So
That document is a very strong document. No, not be sickness document. So did they give you that thing because of health condition?
He said for
Did
health
they
condition,
give-
he said na health condition.
Under Ashibo Fabut? Is it the Ashibo Fabut that they give you? Ashibo Fabut.
Band of deportation, like band. The
Na
band say they don't.
be Ashibo Fabut. Now that they give you that is called Ashibo Fabut. That which means under tourism, maybe you dey sick, the judge and your lawyer dey strong. They can't argue, they will live and there. So what do you need to do? You needed to work, change the paragraph.
Yeah.
You see, before they give me that document, they reject my file 2 times. Before my lawyer
Yes.
fight, people want to give me that.
Yes. Your lawyer was a strong lawyer. I better be very careful. Be very
yes,
careful.
and I come fight and give you.
Yeah, I bet be very careful. Be very careful. Try change them. Try change.
This thing know about document well. Say maybe very careful.
Why no, be very careful. Try change it. Try change it. Try change it. But if you dey work,
Okay. My brother T,
you are
I
free.
bet
Yeah, bro.
this lady now. What do you want me she do for her condition now?
Only what you go do if she say she dey work fully. Only where she make mistake, she supposed to go change am. Maybe she go get BIs, Libelle Deutschland. With these two type of categories, she dey work. She can be able to change it. She can be able to change it. And she need to. I know. Don't praise. She need to be very careful with what she talk for Adoro. She need to be very, very careful. That document is a very strong document, Ashibo Fabo, whereby judge and lawyer that they argue. The lawyer strong pass. They will call argue free. They will call say, "Mo, leave this thing like this." They will leave them like this. It's not a behender document. It's a very strong document where they give, whereby they can give somebody where we say if they argue, say, "Madam, bring her come for here." They will give them. They can give that document to somebody where you say he go bust pipeline for Owori. They'll as I get brother where they give that document. He say that pipeline something that they give him till he can't work. As if they work, now they can't give another lesson. That document is a strong document whereby the lawyer and judge they argue. They don't know what they want to do. Okay, they'll say more live and like that. That you can be say you have sickness in your body, they'll say more live and like that. That document, very strong document so far. A peaceful document for you to renew so far in this document.
This Benjamin document now. Which type of document Benjamin gets?
Brother, I was not aware of it. If that the guy was holding Fisher Bestedigo, totally involved, where be said that don't revoke in Bali or quick put the document. But if he hold Fisher Bestedigo, which means that he don't already put in document for renew. Anything that what make you to have Fisher Bestedigo on your hand? For me, 9 months, when I can't go my own the third time, I can't go meet that. I feel this thing travel. He say yes, if you go Nigeria, you feel come, you don't get problem. Everything is still intact with the process.
Okay, Oga, may I plan for you? May I listen to the kind of document we you get? May we take go as now.
All right, let me hear.
Yes, document say if you dey give you own.
Wait.
What you wanna let me talk now? Now the people they talk for my life don't be your life. When they pass through for James, be pass through. If you don't say you be mumu, the way when you talk, say that man don't say you be mumu, they go just place you for one corner. You self, you don't. They will maybe they will give you 10 years document. Say if you did, give you own brief like 5 years. Don't be by. If you are smart in Germany, what I'm trying to let you know, if you are too smart in Germany, they will not like you. Take it or leave it. If you dey question them, you know the language. You dey question them, they cheat you. They tell them they don't like you. And if you get any issue with you get some you don't follow them quanta, they will do you what they want to do you. Because you guys have to get power for that country. They tell me before, way back, I cannot believe. But I see her with my eyes. Wait till I see for Germany, for you guys some hand. Now not if you understand. They all cities. They will set you up. They will use black set you up. They will use white set you up. They go do you. Because of you get some paper when I seize years back. They punish me, but nobody know. I know come outside come dey tell you see wetin dey happen. Some people dey tell you say you do like this, don't get by this. You dey know where person papa forget passport, where person sister forget passport. That person they supposed to keep
Benjamin, talk today. I see one video we do yesterday. You say this month now your document supposed to expire. But for me, you not quick put out for renew. For it, you did for like 5 months. You put out for renew. And your document you want that this month. You never even be prepared to put out for renew. I don't know how you feel. For this bug here now 6 months, you go start to the process.
Fair wait. You're the list, they go fair wait.
Put out for renew, they will give you fish on. And not be so that they do. They will give you fish on. Your plastic will see them with you. I not be so that they do.
Your own document, it remain 3 weeks. So you never even reach a month again. Why you let them be like that?
You don't understand. You get what you don't understand. My document get fish on. You know what it be fish on. For Italy sleep. Fish on. You don't put your hand for ground again. You want collect and you want collect the plastic. They'll give you fish on 3 months or 4 months or 6 months. That one, before it go end, your paper will come aside.
No very.
Okay, no bad. For first time,
see, Benjamin, see how they answer anybody this.
Benjamin,
see, what I'm about to ask
you know.
I don't want to swear for person. I go date there and I'll date there. Inshallah, nothing they do.
I want to understand. Don't forget the plastic now.
Wait, Boss Evans. Wait, bros, you get patient.
Boss Evans. Nice. Boss Evans, this for sure we say your document don't come outside. But the date where they give you want to come take now they give you that fish.
You don't process. Everything
you can't take the madam I dey work for us they be waiting. If they issue unto you, say they go tell you say on the 25th of May you can collect your card. So before then you go to use this fusions be shining on that day where you go get chance to come collect them.
They know they use go Nigeria.
They know they use cross border.
They know they use cross border. Now between Italy there, between Germany, I mean, that's what it be.
Wait, I notice for this matter. Person will put document for renew. Not supposed to travel, come out, go Africa. You're not supposed to come out for the country.
The wife say Gambia person.
If to send your document, like it remain 3 months to expire. You remain 3 months ahead. If you travel under the 4 months, use them. Before the 3 months, I go put document for the new document will remain 1 month. Maybe use and travel. You're not supposed to use and travel. Now what's not?
If you don't let people talk, better come on. Better come on.
Don Prince, that guy that guy with the deport, he no do bad. Now that fisher bested they go. Now somebody will put the document renew they get that. You don't just get that in anyhow. You don't understand? So, but what I need to say here, I'll condemn that paper where you guys and tell me is signed. Now, two things did there, whereby say for Germany here, where would they? If you and your woman they get problem, now the two they get problem, police they come, now they fight. Now, what is going to happen? Maybe the matter reach for you guys and hand. Now you guys will say, okay. They will send somebody, familiar helper. They will ask you to come and sign that paper. That paper not be batting. Come and sign so that we will get access. That woman, person where they will come, they come to your house, come look. Then they call them English here, then they call them evaluate. They will come and evaluate your family. How on they? Whether or not they take care of the children very well. Whether or not they violent. Whether or not they misbehave. That very day where that document will come to you. If they follow you guys and they argue, the next thing where you go hear for your ear, they will tell you, say, if you don't sign this document, we'll go to court. What it means, the children's life is at risk. They will ask you who I've come across that thing. They will tell you if you don't sign that document, you guys will tell you koro. They will carry translator tell you, say, if you don't sign this document, it's not a bad thing, no. Alpha, give me access. Me, I take collect somebody who will come to look your children, whether they're safe.
Bro, see, Vera talk this thing when you talk. So exactly what you talk. So Vera use that for TikTok for 124 for how many hours?
You hear whether they tell you, they will tell you, say, give me access. Me, I hire somebody. You guys are they pay big money on that too. This you guys are one of the talk show, not be like the way one of the bill. You know many things you are don't benefit from where these you guys are where everybody they run from. I've gained a lot of things from them. They're very nice, oh. Not be the way you know they talk and say the way they be and the way they be. Oh. That thing means say, sign this document so that may you guys are take this thing, collect money for organization where they pay for this organization. Person will come look into your children. That they call it evaluate, make them check whether una they look, take care of the family very well, your children very well. Whether una they fight, whether your house you dey chop turkey, they throw for one corner, whether back of your stove or your thing, whether your toilet you dey wash and I do this thing with you mean. Whether the place where you dey, whether the thing will affect your children. Clean. Oh, God bless you. Sign this document. Me I fake collect money, pay somebody who won't come do this job for you because me when they sign this thing, I don't get access to pay you this money. You will come say no. That person will die off. You go tell say if you don't sign this document, we'll go to court. They're not a joke with you. They'll tell us say we'll go to court. Then if they come your house, you know they clean, you know they organize, you they misbehave, they'll take your children. If you they okay, you they take care of your children, everything they okay. That person will come to say, Alpha, I'm gonna leave this person. No, if they okay, they will leave you. And if you be woman, you know today okay, they will tell you it's okay, we will help you. We will give you somebody who go to help you. If you refuse as a woman, which means you know what you are doing, to the German or the European government, if you refuse all this, that means you get something where you they hide. You are a threat to the children. Whereby they will come look and say, you feel by these children if they leave you. But I don't benefit with these people where they fear. I'm not gonna lie you, eh? I don't benefit with them.
That means this boy now, what did they tell? They beat the woman well. So that make
yeah. Now I ain't going involved. Anything will make you guys are involved, which means you and your family you are not okay. Person fair go report you to this people.
Don't so allegedly, not be the third TikTok here, not be the talk say when Benjamin here say you don't pay bond for her. You don't know what they say use the artist. When
okay, when they say Vera don't born for her, Benjamin beat her over.
They don't get children for us. When they even say na wait for the bath the pikin say na there they beat her on top her. Not be people cause it talking for you.
That one again, you guys are not they use here, they hear that one. That is another offense.
Wait for the bath the children, they beat the gender.
I was hospital you take better because na hospital they forgive her the news. Say if I get children for us.
Don't praise.
Yeah.
Look here, me I first see they tell you something. You see this one who will be presenter, who now there for TikTok, eh? Most of those translators where they translate for people, your city, they know. This is where you day here, so where you stand here, so they do this thing. They know.
What did they do? What did they say? The ban am not do TikTok.
No.
If it's a better one you do, they go know. If not good one, if not bad one,
know. If you get picking, this thing where you they do with the children welfare for your head, they know.
You guys are, I don't know how they call her.
This thing where you they do so. This thing where you the children.
This one now call your back ticket now.
Oh, may one person talk now, bro. May this guy talk. Move for here. They talk.
Alpha, bro. This is what you they do. Your person where they in charge of your children, you get some or any country where you did, they are aware. To look, they are aware.
They are aware of what
you are. They are aware what you are doing, whether you do violent, that they watch you.
What be the result when they want to come on?
Then if you want to say they do TikTok, you they take care of your children very well. Hey, bro. You they hold tight to your children.
When my wife born, and they say they want people to take up children. Now we say no.
You do okay. If they leave you, that means you do okay. If they don't leave you, what do? You are adjust. You don't leave your TikTok, you are adjust. If something apply, they don't leave you. They don't leave you, bro. So women,
as your children they make noise when you dey, those people don't see
my brother, then no, I not be violent. Brother, this one I dey tell you.
as your children they make noises when they talk since. Those people don't see they monitor you for there. At least they're supposed to monitor you. Say your children they make noise well for where you dey. How about that monitor? They don't they monitor you.
Brother, that they monitor me, whereby I come up to come and talk to you. I not be anyhow person. I not be anyhow person.
If your children don't let us hear word. All those ones that the people slap person with SARS.
Bro,
Don't let us hear word.
bro, 100%. I will cut down.
German people know they see those children they disturb with SARS.
Bro, they monitor. Bro, I not gonna lie you. They monitor me very well, but I not be anyhow father. They monitor me.
Even if you not be present yourself, when they don't report you for area where you dey reach 2-3
Not
times,
be
they
any
don't
father. Now the prison they monitor be.
Nobody tell you say that they monitor you. Nobody tell you say that they monitor you. Nobody tell you say that they monitor you. That nobody monitor you. But I must tell you the way you ask me this question, bro. You know the one where they sent for me. They sent for me for direct from court, not you get some. Come they look, they call how I start my aduro. How I be since where I step my left from city where I dey. Laterly they come know say, oh, this person not be anyhow person. I must tell you the monitor. Anything will make you get children. They will start from the school where kindergarten where you they go. No joke. Kindergarten where you they go. Like teacher will call you say your pikin dey sick. You know leave work in a year. Teacher will call you.
Bros, waiting make the deport Benjamin tell us.
Waiting make the deport. The Benjamin whole fisher be steady gun. As he whole fisher be steady gun, now two things involved like I won't repeat them. One be say he whole fisher be steady gun. He get criminal case. He dey fight. He get problem with you get some. This 10.
That means he dey fight for street or he dey beat him.
My brother, that one beat your wife. Better. That one beat your wife. That one I know you're good there.
Person wey dey get that kind of document, e good
maybe.
Bro, men wey dey beat their wife, wetin be your advice to them for Europe?
Now, why would you be beating woman where you get for her, where you dey sleep?
as we result be this one. Yeah, like why we want that in the
This Benjamin, bro, wait, understand, wait. This Benjamin, they beat he baby mama, they beat him anyhow.
Then, that means in the presence of you guys, Sam, is a threat to the children. Now, be that document where you avoid. Now, pin and so you know if you enter Germany.
Because they beat, they tell you say they get problem with all those.
If they get problem with you guys, which means you did not give them right to look, but you know if he come, he
yes,
even get locked.
Now that beating, listen, now that beating, you think they put fear for Vera body.
No, that one no good. You no good. You no just good at all.
And you no good made the beat. You no good made the beat woman. You no good.
If your sense correct, why would you be beating the woman?
For you to beat a woman, come on, leave her for us.
Now, so even if a woman they drag you, you leave them. Why you won't go the beat woman where they sleep with her the first
time? Try to come, it will affect your document.
My brother, my guy, they 3 years old. You don't even see Fisher be standing for those bug. Even when
the one where they say you have used pepper, but
everybody power tap. They want to send on this. Everybody power tap. Let's go.
Yeah, but if they see investigation that the woman they wrong, that woman will still get a big problem for those bug here. You know, go easy with them.
I know, but
now 50-50.
Wait. When I see mute, my friend, you cover prison so. Also, let that cake arena. You hear me so? You get one my friend where you cover for prison. Me go greet her. You go back, but maybe little way never do more area. Now 2 years he spent. What happen? This is my guy now. He called beat a woman. As he beat a woman, I saw a bass come. Play because sometimes they get some argument. Bass will kind of go their say they go spend one night, they'll leave a course. But this one, they come back say this guy can't go there. he not call us again. Before you all know, they all do a before you all know, you all enter prison. Play. This boy go spend 2 years for prison. And this boy come back. Let me go visit him. I say, how far? Wait till they play. Give me story. Wait till play for inside prison. He say for prison. I don't know that people they hear me. Please, if you are hearing me, say yes.
Bro,
If you are hearing me, say yes.
Yeah, bro, we are hearing you. Look here, two things involved here. If you fight your woman,
You fair wait.
normal.
That 2 things involved. Okay, wait for me. I quit all this story. So now we come ask the boy say, what happen for prison? Tell us story. And the boy come tell us say, bro, he say for prison for France here. When he say that 2 prison they carry and go. He say he spend 1 year for one. They call transfer and go on that one. He say for prison, that they transfer people for prison. Oh. You say if you spend 6 months for this prison, they'll transfer you go another prison again. You go spend 3 months on that side, they'll still transfer you go another prison. 2 years where they give you 3 years. If you don't chop all of them one prison, say that they transfer people. He said the 2 prisons where they transfer and go. He said 50% of boys where they there. He said now women that carry the come. He said those one where they go they do those strong things. He said now few. You hear me so? He said people will be say food they pass. People will fat person. Will be say he fat. Maybe you go start person, fat person, all those kind of things. See that one many when people don't fight. Maybe they don't go drink. 2 drink, they'll go fight. You go enjoy the person from there, they'll carry you go prison. He said the other one are women where be say that they live together. Boyfriend and girlfriend where they live together. Mostly those one never marry. He said they'll all be their wife before you know bass will come. He said now 50% now men where they be their wife. Or where they get he and their wife get problem. He says 1 person they will be say this guy, say why they pity for that guy? Say that guy, a woman laugh for a year, say use ash word for her. You hear me so? He said this woman, this one he married to Igbo, as in the friend. He said the Igbo like give police say if they use ash word, they threaten all those kind of things. He said now they take put out of prison. He said this one not be saying he beat her now. Say he use ash word for her for his ass. Common ash word. Now he take go prison. Then he take go prison. Then he come tell them say common word. So the prof now your exchange word, you not beat her. They all put you for prison. So now
My brother and I lie. I no believe. I debunk it with a reason.
Debunk. Okay. What it be defamation of character?
Now.
You did. Na radio as you did.
They watch television. Where we are slow. We are sorry, bro. We are slow. Yeah, bro. I debunk it with a reason. Now.
Okay. Defamation of character, where people they go carry people they go prison for Nigeria. They're not big business. What do you mean of defamation of character?
No, bro, hold on. Now, which means you said that what you said, which means that guy, what the Igbo woman did, it was a somehow right, whereby that guy, he did not know that when he was repeating or abusive words with the Igbo, he did not know. Also, a Nigerian woman in UK, those one is very common in UK, which means the Oyibo woman make it in a phone where they use it, record it, go show George. I will tell you why.
Maybe that's I don't know. But the guy tell me say,
no, bro, not they follow, not they accept it. Which means Oyibo make a record whereby the Oyibo no get power, even if you read there. If you don't bring out proof in Germany, if you don't bring out proof what you did talk, no level for you. I will tell you. Which means the Oyibo woman record, and when they abused the Oyibo woman with a works, he did not know that the Oyibo woman put the phone on the record.
Okay. So may I please explain now? He say now through that one take the prison. So he say as he be now, he say he no go marry again for abroad, he no go near woman again. I say why? He say bro, if you come out for that place, say that woman carry go there. He say if you come out, you all the women will the look woman like wish. He say you know 1 year woman again for your life. I say but you know me say one fuck you up. All of them are your bad person. He say bro, go see people life where they destroy every day. He said the same woman will put you for prison. He said the woman will ever feel come visit you or write letter. He will even the pray and make you back inside the prison. He never care. Before you know, the woman don't carry that man, the chopper. Maybe if you get 2 children for you, get 3 children for you, no care. So why they talk these things? Una way they beat woman, una they take care for you to beat your woman or beat your wife. If he do you anything you don't like, just wear clothes, come on for us. Even though they say you be like better man, he better pass you be like better man. No man, if you say it's not too much, pack your things, go start your own life. Freedom of you can stay on your own, they abroad. Freedom say I don't want to stay with my family again. I want to go stay on my own. If they abroad, you know if you go back because of say my children. Now my children be this and now because of my children, I just they too small, those kind of things. Or more, if you know say you think that the guy he be, go carry ass. So if they go, come to see your children. Maybe for with time.
Yeah, but senior man, why you go to fight woman at the first place? Why? Tell me why you go they violent to a woman.
No,
why?
not the same why. I know they give example.
But if you dey work, say you come, you never get their work, you can't dey work, then no problem. And when you work for like, they don't give you the work permit, maybe 4 years or 3 years. As you dey work, then they register all those your pension, all those your work union. Once you stop work, then they go still maintain you for like 2 years. Because you dey some kind union. They go maintain you, they're not going to pay you your full salary. Maybe if they earn like 2,000 euros, they're going to pay you like 1,600 for 2 years. Before they'll come say, okay, you just go come out totally. You just go enter, say, okay, you start from zero again. They'll just give you that space of time they tell you for work. But if you never first work, you just they chop the system, and they go 10 years, you know they work, you go work 3 months, you run entire house, you go chop, they chop. This time around, once you come, they come back, they check your system. You not supposed to travel. You understand me? That is why if you know they work, you not go feel invite person come. You know, slave not they take care of slave. If government they take care of you for you, you be like slave. That's why you not go feel invite person come because slave, if they work, that's why you feel invite person come because you get from the system. Suppose get those things right. Benjamin just only misinformation I put her for waiting days, so not be papa. Now misinformation. Now this information was supposed correct. If you not say you know they work, not go Nigeria.
Don't print it.
Wanna calm down.
Tell me when the question answer here.
One more than authentic.
Wait,
Mature people gay here.
28
Wait now.
Wait.
I'll drop you. If you don't wait, I'll drop you.
No, please, I'm going to drop me. I only say my fact and the truth is time. The truth now we review it later.
Yeah, authentic we understand. More calm down.
You are working, you are not working. You must
finish now.
Mature people gay here. Wanna let moderator they do it. They do all.
Make I finish. Just give me 2 minutes. Just give me 1 minute.
If you bring you come big screen, you go talk. If you never bring you come big screen,
make I just stand up 1 minute. Make I just stand up 1 minute. That is why if you did job this, you never work before. That is why you see say if you never work, that is why you see all those people they give you all those social welfare. They get access to your account. You get money where you go enter your account because they give you, but they go call you come, make you come explain. Because maybe that they give you money, 1,000 euro just enter your account. They go call you, go surprise, say, they tell no. Because when you know they work, that they take care of you, you are naked to the system. You are naked to the system.
Thank you,
That is why anything we say you never they work. You can't say you know they work. You can't come out, they go, they come back. I advise people more than not try them. Unless maybe you don't get Peking give you strong paper. It is okay. Peking give you strong paper, marriage give you strong paper. That one different now. And you get family people will give you strong paper. That one different. Or you use studies, that one different. But on work, now you take come. Or maybe they're on asylum ground. They see they never still discuss your matter finish. You see they take all those their money from their government. If you go as it be now, if you come back, maybe you not go enter inside the country. Maybe the only possibility is if you want to go use the Schengen airline, ask airline.
Okay, bros.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. God bless you now. Don't praise for your words. God bless you now. Me, I did Germany also, and I don't did Germany for long. To check my profile, you see, I say I don't still try for inside the German system. Number one, I talk about the job center. Number one, say you go Nigeria, job center, go know all those kind of things. That one is not really truth because I know of somebody when they bring me, when go Nigeria, and job center a day. He go Nigeria, I think last 3 months, and he don't come back, and the person there house now. And he don't go appointment tired, they not asking whether you go Nigeria, whether you not go Nigeria. So for that one, like what our brother talk last now, say, depends on your document. If not picking or maybe marriage, say your document don't strong, so you are good to go. So if they talk about AZ documents, one thing about say, most people don't know, say Jamie get different kind of documents. They get sickness, so they get AZ different day. You get document when Jamie go over give yourself, maybe like cost of the person not well. If you take and take go Nigeria, if you come back or collect them, you get 100, they call 104, paragraph 104. If you take that one to go Nigeria, come back, they go collect them. You get when they call 25.2, 25.3. If you take and take go Nigeria, they go collect them. So if they give you documents, Jamie get many documents, many. Yes, Jamie will get paragraph 36, get paragraph 32, paragraph 25.5, paragraph 25.5. Now document when Peking give you. You understand? So maybe you born Peking, the Peking gets 32. You as a father, you not get. So maybe that Peking there, you can't go apply to that Peking, they will give you 25.5. That one you feel and take go Nigeria, come back. You even take do everything you want that they do for a year. You understand? So Jamie document many way. Some people they don't give their document, they know they ask question. If you not feel added for foreign office, you go ask your lawyer questions. Say this document, how far, how they waka, how they go. You understand? So it go open up to you. If you not fit, ask Google. Most of all those Jamie paragraph, it did Google. Google around for there, you go see what your document wait reach and what you go feed do and what you not feed do. You understand? So imagine person went on where they give an document. Why they give an that document? Make it for fit get insurance to fit the take care of himself, they treat himself. And that document, you not go fit go Nigeria. So because of say you don't get one plastic for one, you just use and take buy ticket. They go allow you go. Now may you come back, now be the issue. Not be to go now to come back. To go it might be easy, but coming back sometimes not problem. I know somebody when use the 140 go Nigeria. But by when you go renew, they collect them for your hand. They collect them for your hand, yes. This will not be them say, where authentic they now, they are there also. You understand? So I don't date the Jamie like more than 12 years now. You understand? So me, I don't work for more than 8 years for the country, no stop. I never collect say this team, no as we come first can do Amedo and so many things like that. So the fact is that when you as a person, especially you know say na Z, and they never conclude your issue, they never conclude your matter, it's still dey pending. Maybe they can't give you 6 months or 1 year because of say you bring paper, say you they work and stuff like that. You don't even need to use and take travel. You understand? So if you use and take go, now 2 things evolve. You feel not still come, if you come back, they feel still collect for your hand. Or maybe they go to happen to our brother, feel just happen to and say instantly they'll return her back again. You understand? So the question is that which document Benjamin owe? Now paragraph 25.2, I've been at 23, I've been which one? I've been at 104, which document he owe? Now that one they're supposed to ask before they go, no, because me not believe anybody they went through Benjamin, all those kind of things. Now 2 options, he get case with Duisburg. You understand? So, and number 2, they can't document when they carry follow body. How is it Allah? If it's not Allah, so now you just do it because even your past your partner if you go tell government say come deport my pikin. You understand? So even your partner if you tell now my pikin come deport her for what reason? You not commit crime, nothing. You understand? So this document of return and job center, if you are not working and you travel go Nigeria and okay. May I continue? I'll be your ask.
Fair continue. Say go ask you one question. Fair continue.
Okay. Okay, like this job center of a team. Now you dey on that job center. You dey get money for job center.
So they send us gift to when they send us gift. I don't say yeah, well. When they send us gift, well, our say.
Number 1, job center not get time for your Nigeria passport. You understand? So job center they not get time. They not they control your Nigeria passport because they not be foreign office to control your Nigeria passport. They feel control because your income, your account, and all those kind of things because now they give you money. You understand? So that they want to know how much enter your account, how money they enter your account, how your money they come out, how you they use money and stuff like that. But I've seen more than 1,001 people when they that just enter when they go Nigeria come back. And say the law just new up when we never hear. Say if you did just enter, say if you go say they will collect your or something go happen. Maybe the law just new day. I'm not that time because generally they do like a shower sometimes. They can change law today. Tomorrow they go say they talk out next week. They say they don't do the law and so many things like that. So my observation, what I know about this document and just enter with that. Now just say me a quick left for grant. Thank you.
Thank you.
Authentic. That just said
Okay.
Sister, God save, wait first. Authentic, ask a question.
Waiting, I want to ask you just now, and waiting you talk about the 104C, save that person user and go home. I will tell you like that for that one, say it was not true that say that person user and go, he come back. Do you know the reason that what happened to that something? Is because of 104C, it's not a document that you can renew. It's a document that they give to you, and all the things that they require from you. They want it when you are coming to come and renew that document. When that person use it to go back to Nigeria and he come back, and that thing they wanted to present, he did not fulfill it. That is why they take that document from that person. Not because he use and go Nigeria and they take him. That is what I want to clarify from that place.
Okay, that not the question you ask, you just now your suggestion be that you just
now that one be the something when I put for there. That the way you talk about job center, everybody if job center never happened to you, it happened to a lot of people. Even people where they here, people where they work, 100 people they work. I believe 70 day for job center for each side. That passport where they talk about unless in as ignorant, now they travel, you no go submit itself. If you reach there for job center, you must tell them that you are travel. After you tell them, they will remove your insurance. Or if you did for our car, you did for their car, they will remove and they will tell you say, until you come back, they will come after them again. That mail will come reactivate them again. They just want you to come and tell them that you are going, and when you come back, you will come and represent yourself. Say, you don't still come back. That is what they do.
Okay. I bet we want to talk now. If we talk.
Okay, continue.
I told make
Yeah.
I will
You
make
see-
sure I'll go.
But bro, now you they talk yours now. Okay. Waiting at the try talk MCCY about everything way you talk, bro, 100% on point. You day well informed. You understand? You get waiting our people not understand for this Germany. You see one thing about Germany. You feel the NROV will be say law where they guide NROV different from law where they guide by the Rutabeg with me day. You feel the Bayan will be say another law now they guide those things. And they get another thing where Germany they do where be say that they fuck most people up where people not get orientation of. You get some office where you go for like a land ransom now. Where be say person where you go meet for office, they give her that power to take use the discretion to take decision about you. I don't know whether you don't understand. They give her power. We be say he gets if it deny you document, that person will did if he deny you document. That same
100%,
person
100. You are right.
if he grant you document. You don't understand. All these things are very sensitive to where be say most of our people not they aware of. Now so it still be for all this immigration. Where be say some immigration they will be say they don't already get some kind of way be say they give they will be say as you they enter they get that inscription to take reject to send you go where they come from. They still get the one will be say man for you say go you overlook you say okay make this guy your pass. You don't understand so now so it still be for those kind of thing. What time they try talk? You see Article 25B where they give person for year now they give me. Don't say if you not get BS, you not get this thing, they not go fit give you. Me, I not even give them A2, but I get that document for you. You don't understand so? Why? Because I talk to the person understand the essence of you having that document. Now for you to feel they express yourself, for you to feel the hear with the person they talk. Immediately I follow and argue small play. She overlook and they grant me that thing. That one still boils down to waiting and they try to talk. So you see one that they say person get this document, he go here, come back, he succeed, he done that job center. On the law, waiting make job center, they ask you for your bank konto outlook every 6 months, or every 3 months. So that make they take no money where you get before they will want to give you another money, before they will grant you say we go feed they give you money. Situation whereby you say you not get money, oh bro. Now sometimes they try in illustrate to. You say you not get money, but you want travel, go holiday, go where be say you go spend like 3,000 euros. And you they solicitate for person made that they help you. You don't know say that you coming to come report to them, say you want travel, go to so place. Say na trap that they set for you. If really you be person where they think outside the boss.
100%.
You don't understand how they try to talk.
Right,
So
yeah.
if you be person where they think, you don't know say you where they can say if you want travel, come up for the country, come fair tell us so. You will be saying that they feed you now. The money where they give you, that they give you, make they eat. They not give you say, maybe they save, and that's why they collect your conto
brother,
also.
that is not
And they can't tell you say,
for the conto also. That is
bro,
not
wait,
the
man,
reason.
finish now.
Yeah,
Okay,
nah.
what is the reason? What will be the reason where they ask you? Or you tell me the reason.
They want to know whether you having another money that is entering to your account.
What are we saying? Is it not the same thing you are saying?
Because you're saying you want travel, say they know will give you your money. Why? Because it's your daily money that you need to use to
bro.
eat. And even though you want to
If
travel,
you use one,
that means
listen,
if you,
bro, wait.
only African and talk about.
Bro,
say
you
travel,
calm down.
travel.
You calm down for
like
this
this August, we are
bro,
going
you
now
wait
for
now.
everybody
You
has
know
going
the
for
let person
holiday.
talk.
If
This
you
man
come
they
from
argue
here,
unnecessary.
travel
This
from
man not dey
Italy,
well
travel
informed.
to
Take you calm down now.
Mona wait, make this
Not be
woman
holiday
this
you
woman
go.
want address now. Mona wait, make this woman address now. Mona mute. Madam address
This guy
them.
not the let person talk
Okay,
finish. You don't cut person short.
now good evening. Now good
Okay,
evening,
bless you never
I
reach your
beg.
toe. Not vex now. This woman reach your toe. God save me laughter.
Okay,
Not vex.
okay.
God save me laughter. I beg. We address them. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. God save me laughter. Unmute yourself, madam.
Good evening. Una
Good
good
evening.
evening. Me, I did job center. My for your address that job center. Oh,
Okay.
job center. If you did job center to go Nigeria is very difficult.
Okay.
It's very difficult because one, the money when you want to, they must know your income. I mean, for see money when you want to go down Nigeria. So that one they there. So if you want go job center, when I new enter job center, they tell me say if I want travel, say make I come report myself. Say make I come report myself. So they say if I want go holiday for Italy, all this Europe country, they feel had small, they feel give me small thing based on the money when they get, you know they reach. I bet.
Wasi ijugwa inove dogun imunere mayaje wala emo wala imairia emo bugbebe webo.
Okay, don't please, before she come back, make a quick talk with she dey talk so. The fact is that what she talk now say job center. Normally, when you enter job center, these are information they will let you know.
Yeah.
Say if you want travel, let us know. If you are doing this, let us know. Just call, according to what our brother talk. All those things na trap, na set up. Because let me, bro, I the authentic hold on first now, beg. Now I say sit to me how you do. Authentic, I'll go catch you for train station. They come.
You know me. You know me now.
I know you. Okay. So what are they try to talk? Say, this job set off 18 set up. You understand? So I tell you, if you want travel, you go come, you go do this one. But if you go, now you for involve yourself. Most of our sisters, brothers, more than when they travel today, 70% are job setter. I don't believe anyone don't cry come out. Now when you go tell them say you do travel, now you they get issue with them. And if you come back, Baba, you not get one single problem when you get. You understand? So because number one, self, you don't go, you don't come back, and you get appointment with them. They hardly carry your Nigeria passport go meet job center because now your document that you they carry go they give them. They know they ask you say now when you want to go renew, so now they ask you for that one. Because I know how many people I don't follow go job center. I don't still know how the city they do their things. You understand? So really, they will definitely give you that information. So when you are traveling, let us know. When you are doing this, let us know.
Please drop me, I beg. Drop me.
Okay, thank you.
When you are traveling, let us know. If you are going to this place, let us know. Baba, now set up. You understand? So that's just the gospel truth to all our sisters when they will not get wrong information. You understand? So when I talk about somebody who traveled to Nigeria 2 months, 3 months ago, now bring me the person day. He went and he came back, so she came back successful. Now just 3 weeks, about 2 weeks now she spent. So the fact is that they will give you those information. Now you to come and apply your HQ, apply your headquarter, your number 6. Whether you go tell them say you they go job center, you they go this day or not. Because even when they'll tell you you are allowed to travel at least for 3 weeks or 4 weeks. They tell you how long you fit stay. So most of those times, 21 days, good. So I'm right. That's 21 days, that's 3 weeks. You understand? So then for you as an intelligent person, you don't need to go. Go do your treatment, you come back. Because when they talk for you now, with almost 1,000 people in the view, when they here now, when I say maybe half of them go to Germany, they know, they understand what they talk saying are truth.
You know, not true you talk, eh? When
Thank
me
you.
say you talk true for them, why you is something like that? When you are alone, and you are not, you are receiving a letter when you are alone in the house, eh? If something letter come on your behalf, when job center send a letter to you, they did not reply. At the end, it take like almost like before you come from that Nigeria, it take time before you now reply. Go
Everybody
and
power tap your scheme. Let's go. Everybody power tap, guys. Let's
if
go.
you still go there and tell them that you want to go, why?
Everybody
Because
power
this thing I'm
tap. God
saying now,
bless you for
it's
power
not 2
tap,
times,
guys.
not 3 times.
Very
Why?
life
Because
stream.
I
Very
know it's
interesting
not
life stream.
it never too much stay. Maybe now since I did here since
God bless you, talk.
2014. 14. That means that should be almost is getting a long time now. But this one is what you have done before. So can you report to them and they tell you that okay, we know that you are traveling. It does not have effect on you. It does not have effect on them. Only when you have issue that when money now go into your account or not another money come, they don't know where the money for come. Now that time will result to that sign where they will come, they worry that person. Anything that is now resolved to say go and bring your passport, they want to see it. That means they want to know. That is another something that is not good for you to do.
Thank you, my baby.